Today I'm going to show you guys some highlighting tips and tricks. To start off with, I've already applied a thin layer of foundation. We're going to start off with one of my favorite highlighting techniques, which is highlighting the jawbone. All you want to do for this is to feel for the hollow of your cheeks. So basically place your hand alongside the edge and it should slightly dip in. This is the hollow of your cheek. All you want to do then is to apply a lighter shade underneath this. Now make sure you're going right underneath it, and this will create a deeper hollow effect and also lift your cheekbones. So I'm going to take a concealer, and you can go up as far as 3 shades lighter if you want it to be more extreme, and just paint a line underneath the hollow of the cheek. Now another technique is to take the corner of your mouth and join up with this line to create a very oddly shaped cross. Then just add a little bit extra along the jawbone and start to blend. I want you guys to make sure you're not blending this up too high. Keep it nice and low and blending along the jawbone. Once you've blended the majority of it, make sure to fade that harsh line in with the top of the cheek. So very lightly apply a little bit of pressure, blending the edges up until you get a soft finish like this. The next technique is to highlight the nose. This was a mistake that I used to make a lot, but basically highlighting the edge of the nose fades it into your cheeks. So apply a line alongside the edge of the nose. You can even go a little bit higher onto the nose if you want to thin off the shape of your nose. Then bring that line down along the cheeks, blending that underneath the eye. You want to then bring the highlight around the edge of the nose. And you should get a look like this. Then all you want to do is to blend, blend, blend. Now make sure you're keeping within this area. Don't blend it out too far. It's a bit like when we were coloring in as children. You just want to stay within the lines. Another way to highlight your nose is to highlight down the center. So I start at the top and blend downwards at the tip of the nose. And then just blend that in with my fingertips or even a small detailed brush. The next technique is for the forehead. You're basically going to go right between the eyebrows and also softly go around the edges of the eyebrows as well. This is a great way to sharpen up your brows while also creating the illusion of a thinner face, drawing the eyes downwards through the center. Once again, blend, blend, blend. Another great technique is to highlight the edge of the eyes. This is a great way to lift the eyes, and it also helps to complement your eyeshadow technique. So if your eyeshadow technique is still in the beginner stage, this is a great way to sharpen it up and give it a great finish. And there you go, a soft blended look, and you can see the difference on either side. It's a lot more lifted, more defined, and gives you that great Hollywood glow. Finish off by setting with a little bit of translucent powder and you're good to go. Check out some of the other videos on the screen. If you'd like any more help, I'm always here to help you guys, so leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one. Hit that like button.